I got drunk and fell asleep atop the sheets, but luckily I left the heater on. And in my dreams I wrote the best song that I've ever written. Can't remember how it goes. I stayed drunk and fell awake, and I was cycling on a plane. Far away I heard you say you liked me. We drifted to a party cool. The people went to arty school. They made their paints by mixing acid wash and lemonade. In my brain I rearranged the letters on the page to spell your name. I found an extra pound and made a bet that if I found a cigarette I'd drop it all and marry you. Just then a song comes on, you can't always get what you want. The Rolling Stones, oh woe is we, the irony. The Stones became the moss, and once all inhibitions lost, the hipsters made a mission to the farm. They drove by tractor there, the yellow straw replaced their hair. They laced the dairy river with the cream of sweet vermouth. In my brain I rearranged the letters on the page to spell your name. You said we only live once, so we touched a little tongue, and instantly I wanted to. I lost my train of thought and jumped aboard the Epping as the doors were slowly closing on the world. I touched on and off and rubbed my arm up against yours. Still the inspector inspected me. The lady in the roof was living proof that nothing really ever is exactly as it seems. In my brain I rearranged the letters on the page to spell your name. We caught the riverboat downstream and ended up beside a team of angry footballers. I fed the ducks some krill, then we were sucked against our will into the welcome doors of the casino. We drank green margaritas, danced with sweet senoritas, and we all went home as winners of a kind. You said, I guarantee we'll have more fun. Drink till the moon becomes the sun, and in the taxi home I'll sing you a Triffid song. In my brain I